Good evening, Honors U.S. History students. I wanted to show you the folder for the personal project. So starting in this next week's folder or next week's schedule, you'll see that the first journal is due and there's one other thing that you need to fill out. So on the Schoology page, there's a whole folder for the personal project. This form is due October 9th, and it's just a registration form that we have to submit to the IB. So you just need to do that this week. This folder has in it some things that may help you if you get confused. This is the guide, the personal project guide. This is a video that might be helpful to watch if you don't know anything about it. If you already have an idea, you may not need to watch it, but it's something that might have value to some of you. And then these are the slides that are in this video. So if you'd rather just flip through the slides, that's right here. Might be helpful. Certainly not something that you'll all choose to do, but it's there. The other folder in here is the personal project journals. And those already have dates on them, but they start, the first one's due on the 14th. And then the rest are due throughout this trimester. If you choose to work ahead on it, great. That's just kind of a schedule that I think is reasonable for you to follow on it. But if you want to work ahead, I think that's fantastic. If you've already done the journals, I think that's awesome. Just tell me, and I'll make sure that you get credit for that, okay? But these are the journals. This is where we'll be working from. So just know that this is something that you can always be working on within a unit if you have time. If you have any questions about the personal project, please just ask.